Hey there, I just want to share with you some quick tips on how you can possibly fix the issue for your Keurig Classic when it turns off while brewing. So this is something that I found. The first thing is that the reasons, it can be like the high pressure, pot fails to puncture properly. Even puncture, it might still feel like there's too much pressure. Pre-puncture your coffee before placing in the machine to reduce the pressure. This is the first thing. The second thing is that this person just wrote and read it. So I did this problem and took off the gasket on the top needle, which helped clean the area where grounds had built up. I also manually pushed the pot in the slot and punctured it, then took it out, turned 90 degrees and press punctured it again before pulling the lever and hitting brew. It worked. After this, I ran clear water through the machine by going through several brew cycles, which cleaned it. I think I'm going to do this weekly to prevent coffee ground buildup. So this is like can be a great tip for you. Another thing is that clean the inside, the top needle, with a fork, paper clip. If you can reach all the way, blow it and using a straw. You're welcome. So this is something that you can also try to do. I just wanted to make like these quick tips if you're researching like what you can actually do. I know it's not with the actual product, but possibly you can just based on this to fix that. So have a great day and goodbye.